My name's Mike Davis. I work for the maintenance department for California State Parks. In my time here at state parks, I've learned many different skills, from housekeeping to plumbing to carpentry. I've realized there's many different applications for the skills I've learned here at state parks. I think I've really been blessed working here. Given all these opportunities, everything from welding to plumbing to woodworking, you learn a little bit about everything here. I'm Mike Davis. I'm a seasonal maintenance aide here at South Carlsbad State Beach, and I live the parks life.